How to use the Gradebook Calculator. Click on the Gradebook Calculator link, and we have to find the homework points, your group work points, and the test earned. So go into your gradebook, and I've opened this up here. This is the averages for the class, not a specific student. So I'm going to go down to the bottom, and the group work is 80%, the homework is 77%, tests are 78.2. So write those down on a piece of paper. Now we're going to go here. Homework is 77%, group work is 80, and the test points earned are 78.2. So now I scroll down and hit submit. And now you can see that if this person would get 100 on the final, their course average would be 83.6. If they got a 46 on the final, their course average would be a 70.1, and for my courses that is a C.